Yeah, good morning everyone. This is a presentation from Srinivas IAS Academy located at Bengaluru. You may contact us for offline as well as online classes across the country. Thank you. Yes, today we are making a beginning of percentage. Right. See the question on the board. A man spends 20% on his income on food and 70% on clothing. If he still has a balance of rupees 200, what is his total income? A man spends 20% of his income on food and 70% on clothing. If he still has a balance of rupees 200 with him, what is his total income? Let the total income be is equals to 100%. So whatever the income he generates, for example, whatever the income I generate, that is equal to 100%. Out of 100%, so I spend 20% of my income on food. My income is equal to 100%. I spend 20% on food and 70% of my income on clothing. And I will have 200 rupees in my purse. There are three accounts. My income is equal to 100%. 20% I will spend on food and 70% I will spend on clothing, and I am left with 12 rupees in my purse. It means that 3 is equal to 100%. 3 accounts is equal to 100%. But 20% is very clearly known, 70% is well known, 20 plus 70 is what? 90%. And 100 minus 90% is what? Remaining 10%. The remaining in the terms of percentage is 10%. In terms of cash is 200. You have to LHS equal to RHS. Left hand side value is equal to right hand side. And 10% is equal to 200. You will know the original income of the person. Original income of the person. So let income be let income be 100%. Let income be, whenever we use the word, that is called imagination, okay, assumption. Let income be 100%. So spending on food is what? Food is 10%. 20%. Right. Clothing, spending on clothing is 70%. And the balance is left with 200 rupees. So this 100% minus 100% minus 20% minus 70% is what? 10%. The 10% is equal to 200 rupees. You will know the LHS, when LHS is equal to RHS is drawn, I think we got the answer. That is the original income of the person. Right. So 10% can be written as 10 by 100. 1% can be written as 1 by 100. We discussed in the previous classes. No? A percent can be written as A by 100. X percent can be written as X by 100. Right. Equals 200. So when equals or ratios are there, cross multiplication. If there is a multiplication sign, cross cancellation. This is the cross multiplication. What is the cross multiplication? 200 into 100 by 10. 1 0 cancel, right? 2 into 1, 2. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So 2000 is the option. It's like that. That is the option. Okay. These are all very simple questions. When I come to the CSAT questions, again, see, you should be able to solve within no time. That's why I have given so many questions, that is. Because this is not known, solving CSAT questions has become tougher job. Yes, next. If 25% of a number is 200, find the number. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. What is something is asked is not known, you can treat that is equal to x. 25% of a number. 25% of a number, how do you write? 25 by 100. Of means what? Multiplication sign. Number we do not know because that itself is a question mark. Let the number be x. Is, when there is a word is there, you should say equals, and 200. Right. Again you can see, this is 25 ones, 25 fours, so this is right. And next step is what? X by 4 equals 200. X equals to what? 200 into 4. So x value is what? 800. So many steps are not required. In the beginning we write number of steps, after that we can reduce, keep reducing the steps. So what is the 800? Option C. Yes, Prashwal, you joined the class, huh? Good morning. Right, now you can see, we'll move on to the next question. Yes, if 25% number is equal to 25% of other number, now 25% of a number, let the number be x, is equal to 25%. I think there is an error in the question. This is of other number y. What is the ratio between the numbers? There is a error in the question. One should be 20 actually, that is. Okay. Anyway, say that is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. Right. 1x by 4 is equals to 1y by 4. Even 1 is not required here also. Okay. Actually, it comes like that. Option D is written, but actually one must be, we have to take this is a 20%, like, okay. Now then what will happen here? 25% of x is equals to 20% of y. 25 ones are 25 fours are 20 ones are 25 sir. And x by 4, even 1 is not required here, y by 5. Y by 5. Okay. Now, whenever there is a ratio of numbers, when it comes to the ratio now, so x is 4, y is to 4 is to 5, that is option you can take simple 4 is to 5. Option C, D is that, but then maybe like that it would be. Hopefully, this is the first one, maybe 20%. 20% of x is equals to 25% of y. It may be like this. 5, this is 1 and 4. Okay. 5. Yeah. So that is x by 5 is to y by 4. So 5 is to 4. It's like that. Okay. Anyway, there is error in the question. Okay. See. Now. Right. Ram's expenditure on savings are in the ratio 5 is to 3. If his income is increased by 12% and expenditure by 15%, then how much percent do his savings increase? There is a income, saving, expenditure. There are 3 items are there. Income, saving, expenditure. Fine. Now, what is the general? We think that income is equal to expenditure plus savings. Expenditure plus saving. in general terms. In general terms we write income is equal to expenditure plus savings, or some saving plus expenditure, either way, both. Right. Ram's expenditure on savings are in the ratio, savings and expenditure and savings are in the ratio 5:3. The first one is expenditure, second one is savings. It means this is 5:3. Right. Then what happens now? What is the total income? You can say 8x. 8 ratios can be done. Total put together. Okay. Right. If his income increases by 12%, if income increases by 12% and expenditure by 15%. Okay. All right. So this income is equal to 8 ratios. If you like the total, but everything is in the ratios. We have to convert into hundreds or thousands or lakhs or millions, billions like that. But we take hundreds. 8 that x can be, you can treat x can be treated that 100. It means this is what? 800. Okay, what is the expenditure? 500. 5x is to 3x. This is 300. Okay, right. Now, what is that? If his income increases by 12%, income increases by 12%. What is the 12% of 800? 12% of 800. What you can do that I told you. See, this is a 800 into 12%, 12 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. This is 96. Even shortcut how we can do? Percentage means 2 zeros gets cancelled. Percentage means what? 2 zeros gets cancelled. What is remaining? 12. 12 into 8, 96. 96. This is total income. Right. Now, 12 and expenditure by 15%. Expenditure by 15%. Expenditure by 15%. 15% of 500. Percent is equal to 2 zeros gets cancelled. 15 into 5, 75. The total becomes what? 575. Then what would be the savings percentage increased? Okay. Now we know this is the total money. 896 minus expenditure. What is the remaining? 6 plus 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 7 is what? 2. This is 321. 321, already 300 rupees savings is there. This is the total savings is what? 321. How much it is increased? 21. The total savings is 321, but already 300 is there. What is net increased? 21. But you have to tell in the percentage. How much it is increased? 21 out of 300. Percentage. Percent multiplied by 100.
7%.
7%. So net savings is increased by 7%. You're fine, Sima, you joined, huh? Yes. Now, we shall move on to the next question. See that, try to solve. You try by yourself, let's see that. Even you could not get the right answer, I have no worry for that. A concept is involved here.
4% increase.
4% decrease. Yes. Answer is yes. Answer is yes. But how? Yes, how did you do that?
Sir, assume his salary as 100 rupees.
Yes. So when something is not given, assume that is salary be 100. Assumption that the salary be 100. See, always you can see the same percent is increase and same percent is decrease on the resulting number always is a loss. See, this is a very pure out and out concept this is. And say for example, let the number be 100. Let the price be 100 plus 10%. 20%. Okay, 20 you can keep it aside. Let's see. We'll take some easy numbers. 10%. What is the 10 rupees? That becomes what's totally resulting number would be, resulting price would be 110 minus 10%. You are reducing on this. It means 11 rupees. It comes was 99. It is a 1% loss. Okay. Now we'll do 100 minus 10%. Reverse we can do that. Minus 10%. This is 10%. Right. What is this? Is net resulting number is what? 90. Again plus 10%. We did plus minus. Here we are doing minus and plus. 99. It is same. Increasing same percentage and decreasing same percentage always incurs loss. So this formula is what? X square by 100. X square by 100. X square by 100 is always loss. X square by 100 is always loss. Okay. Yes. Now we'll solve the question now. Now, how do you do then? Did you solve this question? You put 100, plus then 10%, plus 10%, then plus 20%.
120.
Yes.
120
minus. Yeah.
20% minus.
Right. You put 100. Okay. Let me understand. How did you do that? So the plus 20%. 20%.
20 rupees. 120.
This is becomes net price becomes 120. Minus 20%, 20% of 120. It means 24, 96, 4% loss. What is the difference between 100 and 96? 4. 4 out of 100. Percentage multiplied by 100 is a net to 4% loss. This is again is a lengthy process of doing like this. We need to change the concept of, this is the accountancy people will do, like BCom people, that is. So how we should do that? And now we can say, let the price be 100 multiplied by, you increasing the 10%. 100% plus 10%, that is 110%. Because this calculation is essential for whole of aptitude. Instead of calculating compound interest, like appreciation, depreciation, population growth, all this is the common formula. For on this we will give 10%. This is considered as 100%. You are giving 10% discount, means what? 100 minus 10, so 90%. 90%. Okay, you will take 20% only. 100 into 120%. More than 100, definitely added something, into 80%. Now, what is a net? And see that this 2 zeros gets cancelled, this 0 gets cancelled, 12 into 8, 96. So, 100 minus 96 is 4 loss. In terms of 400, 4 by 100 into 100 is 4%. That's how we should do it. Okay. I don't say this wrong, but we need this pattern, whole of aptitude. 4% decrease. Because this pattern requires, it demands more space, more working space is required. Now, I think it looks the same question, that is.
1%.
A number is increased by 10% and then resultant number is decreased by, resultant number is what? After adding something, that is a net, what you arrive to is called resultant numbers. Okay, a number is increased by 10% and then resultant number is decreased by 10%, net increase or decrease in the number. See, the question is what? Net increase or decrease? What would happen? Resultant number like that? Decrease only will happen. But how much it is decreased? X square by 100. Right. So now we can see number we do not know. Let the number be 10%, 110%. Then decreased by 10% into 90%. Then what is the thing? Cancel, 0, 0 gets cancelled. And 11 into 99. Okay. 11, 9. So 100 minus 99 is what? 1. And 1 out of 100 into 100 is 1%. 1% decrease. Or x square by 100 or x square by 100 or x square by 100. What is the x value here? 10. No, x value 10. 10 square by 100, 100 by 100, so 1 by 1, so 1, so net 1%. That is the thing. Okay, right. Yes, next. This is very odd question, I know that, but I want you to do this. If out of two numbers, in the sense what we understand by reading this group of words, there are two numbers. Let the numbers be x and y. Right. One number is increased by 10% and the other by 20%. Find percentage increase in the product of two numbers. Of course, I think it's a very simple question like it looks. One number is increased by 10%, other by 20%. Find the percentage increase in the product of two numbers. Product means what? Multiplication of the two numbers. How it would happen? You can imagine the number, let the numbers be 100. Let the x be 100 and let the y also be 100 only. So, x and y 100. And this first number is increased by 10%. So, into 110%. It means what will happen here? That becomes 110. And another number increased by 20%. It means into 120 by 100. This becomes what? What is the product of the two numbers? 110 into 120. Okay. And 0, 0, just you can put like that. 11 into 12. 11 into 12. 11 square plus 11. 11 into 12. See, for example, how do you write 11 into 12? 11 into 11 plus 11 into 1. 11 square, multiplying the consecutive numbers. 11 square plus 11. 11 square is what? 121 plus 11, 132. Yes. What is being said? This is what is the percentage increase in the sense? Percentage increase in the 13,200. You know, out of two. Yes. Okay. What is a percentage increase in the product of two numbers? Okay. Let us. We have taken 100. 100 is a virtual number. 100 into 100. 100 into 100 is what? 100 into 100. 10,000. 1 into 1. 1. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000. What is the net increase? 3,200. So that is the 3,200. 3,200 by 10,000. Percentage multiplied by percentage. Now we can say 4 zeros cancel. 32% is increased. Option D. So that's all. Okay. Option B. Yes, Rishi, your answer is correct. 32%. Option B. Right. Just see, these questions are framed mentally. You have to prepare to read that words, group of words. Yes, next one. The salary of an employee first increased by 20%, then again increased by 30%. The increase in the salary from the original salary. How do you do that? How do you write now?
56.
The original salaries is not known.
100.
When number is not known, number is not given, it's something like we are getting some sweet from the examiners. Number is given, calculation starts. Nothing is given, we are lucky enough. We can assume that is. Let the salary be 100. Let the salary be 100. First increased by, first, when the word first means, it is followed by the next, or second, or third, something like that. 100, first increase by 20%. So, into 120%. And then again increase, again, the word again means that it is preceding the other thing, that is. Again, increased by 30% into 130%. What is a thing now? Two zeros gets cancelled here, and this 2 zeros gets cancelled. What is left out? 12 into 13. 12 into 13, 12 square plus 12. 12 square plus 12. 12 square is what? 144. 144 plus 12? 156. Right. What is the net increase? 156 minus 100. So 56. 56% is increased. This is option D. Why? Because another calculation order, we are taking base number is 100. We are taken base number is 100, that is equal to the percentage only. Yes, 6. If you do the solve that, see that what is the net increase? 56. 56 out of, we have taken base number is 100. So 100 percentage means multiplied by 100. Again you will get. So one more calculation is not required. Why? Because we have taken base number is 100. That is equal to, that can be treated as percentage. At least people are answering. Yes, next. See that a number is these questions will come in CSAT? Definitely not. See, I want to bring you to that level. So we need to learn to write the equation according to the question, first thing. Now, a number is increased by 20%, a number is increased by 20%, then it is decreased by 10%, the net increase or decrease percent. Okay. It is not same. Percentage of increasing or decreasing is not, this doesn't qualify that x square by 100. We need to know. Okay, number is not given. Let the number be 100 into increase by 20%. So multiplied by 120%, then decreased by 10%. You can treat this is equal to 100% minus 10%. So then it should be multiplied by 90%. Now let's see the resultant number, what would be the, but all zeros cancel. Zeros cancel, 12 into 9, so 108. Okay, 108, we have taken base number is what? 100. So this is the increase, 8% increase. 8% increase. Now you can see a salary, A's salary is 25% more than B's salary. B's salary is how much less than A's salary, I think. See, okay. Even this is, these type of questions are possible in CSAT, were given. Okay. Now let us see there are how many people are there in the question? A and B. First we can write. And we need to learn how to download the information from the given question. A and B. A's salary is increased, A's salary is 25% more than B's salary. B's salary is okay. What is the B's salary is given? Nothing is given. You can assume, yes, B's salary be 100. A's salary is 25% more than B's salary, 125. Now, how much less than A's salary? B's salary is how much less than, what's the difference between these two people? 25. And 25 is compared with what? A's salary. So by 125. Percentage multiplied by 100 and see that. So 25 was a 25 5 like 20%. Right. Option A. Option A. Which number you are comparing? That should be the denominator. Now, B got 20% marks less than A. What percent marks did A got? I think that's the same type question this is.
Sir, can you go to the before question? Sir, can you write the equation as 25 by 100 into B plus B? Correct, sir.
25 by 100 into B plus B. Now, why did you write this 25%, 25 by 100 into B?
Sir, because you are implying B salary, sir.
Okay, but equation is right, but this becomes more complicated.
How do you solve that, sir?
Again what's B means you have to solve this one, again this one. But what is a B salary? We don't know. That's why you have taken. This is the 25% of B. Is not correct. You should take 125% of B. We are treating B salary is equal to 100%. If you write 25% of B means whatever the B salary, you are taking only 25% of that salary. But what is the question? A salary is 25% more than B. A salary is 25% more than B. See, for example, A salary is there. B salary plus 25% of B. You are supposed to write the equation like that.
Yes, sir. That is what the down equation is correct, sir.
Yes. So then but what is the B salary? We do not know. Numbers are not given. So you can treat this is 100%, 100 or 100%. Plus this is 25%. This is 125%. 125% of B. Writing equations, number of steps takes place. That's why you reduce working that. For algebra type, excellent, but we don't need so much. So big questions are not possible, except one or two questions here and there. It wise. Even CSAT also. Question looks very big. But answering is easy, except one or two questions, I am telling you. That is the thing. So, because this writing equations demands more working space, more working time. Now we can see this same question, the previous question. Fine, yes Rishi, I will try to solve it. Right now, B got 20% marks less than A. There are two people, A and B. A and B. B got 20 marks less than A. Let the marks of A is be 100 and 20% less. It means what? 80. Right. What percent marks did A got more? A marks are more, definitely yes. How many marks more than B? 20 marks. 20 is compared with what number? B's marks. 80. Percentage multiplied by 100. 25. Right. Option C. Yes, 20 by 80 into 100. Yes, Rishi, you are correct. Now, see now, I think this is also looks like same. Fine. A's income is 40% less than that of B. How much percent B's income more than that of A? Same again. There are two people, A and B. Right. A's income 40% less than that of B. B's income, let the B's income be 100. 40% less. It means what? That is 60. How much percent B's income more than that of A? How much more this is? 40. 40 by 60 multiplied by 100 is what? 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 2 3s. 3s.
66
Yes, yes. 33. I think.
2 by 3.
66 2 by 3.
Cancel. This is 2 by 3. Like 200 by 3. 200 by 3 equals 3 6 18, 20, 3 6 18, 2, 20, 3 6, 0.66. Close it. Okay. Yes. Option, do you see? 66 2 by 3. 66 is there. You can go ahead with. Even if it is a fraction, if you convert like that, it will come. That is. There is only one such option is there. Actually 100 by 3 is equal to 33 1 by 3 it will come. 33 1 by 3 it will come. 200 by 3 what happens now? 66 2 by 3 it will come. How? Let's see that. 200 by 3. 3 6 18 and 2 20. 3 6 18. 2 over time. Now this 2 becomes here, 3 becomes 66 2 by 3. Now see that. Half of 1% is. Half of 1% is, how do you write? Half, you can write 1 by 2 or 0.5 also can be written. Both will do that. Half can be written as 1 by 2 or 0.5 also can be written. Half can be written as 1 by 2 or 0. We must be knowing alternatives like that. Half. Let us take 1 by 2. Half means what? Multiplication sign. 1%. How do you write 1%? 1 by 100 is like that. Now 1.200, it means what? Percentage means always you should divisible by 2, that becomes what? 100. This is divisible by 2, 0.5. 0.5%, but decimals is there. How do you write this? Is how many decimals, how many zeros in the denominator? 2 zeros. Already one decimal is there, 3 decimals you have to adjust. 0, 0, 5. This is the one. If you write 0.5 or 0.5 into 1 by 100, 0.5 by 100, then it can come to 0.05. That both. Option C. Did you understand how to solve this? Looks simple. If you find difficult to place the decimals, to count the number of decimal, yes, Rishi, you are right, 0.005. That's right. Now, what is 20% of 25% of 300? I simply put like that only to make you write and calculate. What is 20? What is 20% of 25% of 300? 20%. 20 by 100 into 25%. 25 by 100 into 300 is what?
15.
You got answer now? 25, 4 and 4, 5, 5, 20, 20, 20, 20. Option is what? 15. The simple I put this first. Your ratio is not 150, it's a 15. If you do simplification, yeah, you will end up in getting 15, not just 150. You see that number of zeros. 150 is not correct, 15 is the correct one. Now, Rishi, you have to correct that is not 150, it's a 15. No zero is left in the numerator place. Right. 18% of which number is equal to 12% of 75? So I put these questions only think how to write it in an equation. 18%, 18 by 100. 18 by 100 of a which number? We don't know. X. E is equal to 12% of 75. Here you have to see when there is a ratio or equal signs, numerator versus numerator can be cancelled, denominator versus denominator can be cancelled. It means you have to cut like this. Denominator versus denominator gets cancelled. Then what is next up? 18x equals to 12 into 75. Again you see that don't multiply the numbers. Don't multiply the numbers, it becomes very huge value. What you have to do next step is what? X into 12 into 75 by 18. Now we have to solve.
6 2s are 6.
Now 6 2s are 6 3s are 3 1s are 325. It means what? 50. Option is 50. Option A. When there is an equals or ratios, left versus numerator versus numerator, denominator versus denominator can be cancelled. Now, what is the number whose 20% is 30% of 40? Yes, Rishi, you are trying to ask me something. What is that? May I know? What is the number? What is the number whose? What is the number we don't know? Let the number be x. Whose multiplied 20% is means equals 30% of 400. Right. Right. And see 21 25. So x by 5 equals 120. X equals to what? 120 into 5. Answer is therefore 600. Why it is 40 I have not taken. What is this? Is 30% of 40? Oh. So I have not done wrong. This is. Let the number be x whose equals to 20% is 30% of 40. Now it's okay. And this is gets cancelled here. And 20 to this one. X value is what? 60. X value is 60. Option C. Option C. Yes, Rupa, you joined. Right. Now, if 36% of 36 is 54% of x, value of x is, because this is the backbone, percentage is the backbone for whole of aptitude. Now, 36%. of 36 is means what? Equals 54% of x. What is the value of x? Okay. Now, denominator versus denominator gets cancelled here. And 18 2s are 18 3s are 3 1s are 3 12s are. Then what left? 2 into 24. 24 is equals to x. X value is 24. Option A. Yes, Rupa, namaste. I said I wish you. Good morning. See, the one step I finished it. Now, 60 equals x% of 400. It's a very simpler one. Just because of arithmetic sake, I put these questions. Because if we do like this, something will happen. Then mentally we should be able to form the equation. Now 60 equals question mark means you can say x percent of 400, right? Now it means nothing is there, means 60 by 1 you can consider, and 0 is 0 gets cancelled. Now we can see 2 3s are 2 20s, this is okay. 0 0 gets cancelled here, 2 1s are 2 5s. It means 3 equals x by 5. So x equals 3 into 5. Therefore 15. Option D. Option D. Yes, Rishi, you are correct. 15 is the right appropriate answer. That is. Now, the difference between 57% of a number and its 41% is 240. What is that number? Both numbers are related to x only. Difference between 57% and 41%, you have to see that. 16%. 16% is what? 240. What is that value of the number? Now, so 57% of x, difference means what? Minus. And 41% of its x, like that. Its difference is 240. Now equation is taken. Now we have just downloaded this information from the given question. Minus 57 minus 41%. What is that? 16%. Yeah, 16% is equals to 240. You got the answer already now. 16% x is 240. What is that thing? Yeah, 240 into 100 by 16. 16 ones are 16, 15,500. That's the number. Option C. Option C that. Yes, Rishi, correct. 1,500 is absolutely correct one. Option C. Now, if the difference between 73% of a number and 48% of the same number is 615, what is 15% of that number? Little extended question this is. Okay. And see, the difference between 73% of a number, 73% of x minus, okay, 48% of the same number, 48% of x is 615. This is 615. What is that 15% of that number? Into 15%. Into 15%. This is the question. See that what I written, how to write the equations like that. One step I have written from the question, that is. And 73% minus 48% is what? 73 minus 48 is it 25%. 25% of x equals 615. Okay. What is the 15% of that number? Into 15%. Right. So now at a stretch you can finish the equation. Now 25 you can like 615 into 100 by 25 into x into 15%. We can solve. That's all. Uh, 123 into 3 is what? That 4 369. 369 is the option C is the correct one. $92.75. How do you get 92.75? See, 73% difference between number 73% and minus 48%. What is the difference? Is 25% of x is 615. For that 15% of that is what? You get the number. So let me check that also. So equals 615. What is the number you will get? 25% is equals to what in the question? 615 is given. 615. Then you will get the x value. You will get the x value. It means 25 ones are 25 fours are 5. X equals to what? 615 into 4. So x equals to what? 4 5s are 20, 6 4, 24. This is the x value. But it's asking what is the 15% of that number. So into 15 by 100. Okay, 1 0 1 0 cancel here, 5 2s, 5 3s here. 2 means what? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 into 3 is what? 3 6 9. Right. See that. Check the calculation. Now so you got it, no? Yes. Now P percent of P is 36, then what is P? P percent means P by 100 of P is 36. What is P? Like P square, P into P is P square by 100 equals 36. What is the next step? P square is equal to 36 into 100. So P square is what? 3600. P equals root 3600. So P is equals to 6 and 1 0. P equals to 60. Option C. Yes, option 60. The ratio 5:4 expressed in percent equal to, ratio 5:4, you have to express the percentage. So this can be written as 5 by 4 multiplied by 100. So 125%. Option A. In the sense A is to B can be written in the fraction like A by B. X is to Y can be written as x by y. So 1:2 can be written as 1/2 and so on, etc. A saved 20% of his monthly salary, his monthly expenditure is so much, then his monthly savings is. There are two items are given. One is savings, monthly salary, expenditure. What is his monthly savings? Right. Okay. The income is equal to what? Savings plus expenditure. Right. What is income is equal to what? 100%. Savings is what? 20%. Plus then expenditure is what? 80%. But 80% expenditure is equal to 6,000. This is equal to 6,000. So 80% is equals to 6,000. LHS equal to RHS. The original salary will be known. But actually what is asking, what is the monthly savings? If you do this, you will get the income. Right, 80 by 100 equals 6,000. What is the next step? Cross multiply. 6,000 into 100 by 80. You will get the original salary. But savings is what? Into 20%. Is right. Therefore 1,500. Absolutely yes. Option B. Ah, 70% of the students are boys in a school. The number of girls be 504. The number of boys is. How do you do that? The total strength is what? 100%. This is equal to what? Boys plus girls. Total 100% is boys and girls. Right. What is the 70% of students are boys? The boys is 70%. Girls is 30%. Is understood. And girls be 504. This is equals to 504. What is the number of boys? Okay, now we can see what is that is 30%. 30% sorry equals 504. Now 504 into 100 by 30, you will get total students into what is the boys? 70%. It's like that. What is the answer you will get? 1176. 1176 correct? Okay. People are answering. Is correct, no? Yes, I do not know. You have to tell me if I go wrong. So wherever I go wrong, you will correct me. Yes. Now, to pass an examination, a candidate needs 40% marks. To passing an examination, a candidate is required to score 40% marks. All questions carry equal marks. Every question carries equal marks. Fine. And a candidate just passed by getting 10 answers correct by attempting 15 of the total questions. How many questions are there in the examination? Right. So what is the required percentage for pass percentage that you need? 40%. Right. All questions carry equal marks. A candidate just passed by getting 10 answers correct. So 10 answers correct because he is a passing. Passing questions is what? Passing questions is what? 10 questions. Out of 15 of the total questions. He attempted 15, but correct questions were 10. But we don't know. Negative is not given here. Nothing is there. There is no negative mark at all here. He attempted 15, but he attempted 10 questions correct and he passed. By percentage wise, 40%. It means that the 10 is equals to 40%. The 10 questions is equal to 40%. You will know how many questions are there in the pattern. And see, 100 into 10 by 40 is what? 0, 0 gets cancelled and 25 questions are there. So, option A. Option A, 20, there are 25 questions in the ring.
Sir, can you explain again?
Yes. And see what is given in the question: to pass an examination, a candidate is required to score 40% marks. It means to pass an examination, what is the required marks is required? 40% passing. All questions carry equal marks. I think we don't need not to take any information from this. A candidate just passed by getting 10 answers correct. Okay, it means passing 40%, this is equal to 10 questions correct. He passed by 10, he attempted 15 questions, but 10 were correct. He passed. Passing percentage is what? 40%. It means 10 questions is equal to 40%. It's like 10 questions is equals to 40. LHS equal to RHS, original value will be known here. Is cross multiply 10 into 100 by 40. Right. 0 and 0 gets cancelled, 25. That's right.
Sir, can you do 40% plus 10 minus 15?
40% plus
10
plus 10
minus 15.
minus 15. Why do you do this so much work?
So just a thought.
No. So only thing is you have to see the LHS equal to RHS. The passing questions are 10. Passing marks required 40%. You have to equate. Once you start equating the values, equation, you got the answer. In terms of percentage, you need to score 40%. But you passed by attempting 10 correct questions. That is the equation, right?
So negative marking is there?
Negative marking, then will have a different, that is.
This will not work now, sir.
It will work, total questions will be there, but you have to calculate for whole questions. For example, if there is a negative marking, you know how many questions are there in the paper? Totally 25. At 25, you are attempting all the 25 are correct. So you are supposed to get 25 marks. You are supposed to get 25 marks. But how many are correct are there? 10 correct are there. The difference you have to calculate. But here all questions are equal marks they put. If that is given, they will give wrong answers, 2 marks will be losing, and correct answers will be giving 5 marks like that. That information is required. Because no information is about the marks here. That's why you cannot ask. If that is asked means that numbers are required. Yes, next. 1 minute and 48 seconds in percentage of 1 hour is represented by 1 minute and 48 seconds. So 1 minute 48 seconds in percentage of 1 hour. What is the smallest part here?
48
seconds. Everything you convert to seconds. Everything you convert to seconds. It means 1 minute 48 seconds means what? 60 plus 48. 108 seconds out of 1 hour. 60. You don't do calculation like that. You write like that. 60 into 60. Because simplification will be easier. Even if you try to put that bigger number, again you have to do the division work. Yes. And multiplied by percentage. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, percentage is there. Yes, now you can see that. And this 0 and 0 cancels here. And 6, this is the multiples of 3. 1 plus 8, 9, multiples of 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 6s. And again 6 6 6 2 3. It means 3%. Option C. Always you have to convert which is the smallest unit. Again CSAT questions also this is. Yes Rishi, correct, 3 is the correct one. Yes. Those who are correct, Satyabhama, Rishi, all are correct, fine. Yes, next we will move on to the next question. The ratio between two numbers is 5:4. If 40% of the first number is 12, then what would be the 50% of the second number? How do you try to solve? What do you understand by reading the group of words? Where do you stand? How do you download the information from that question given? You just make an attempt of trying. I will solve it, that is. It's a very funny question. Okay. Fine. The ratio between two numbers is 5:4. 5:4. If 40% of the first number is 12, 40% of this is something, what do you write here? Like you can write 5x is to 4x first. Okay. 40% the first number, this is the first number.
4y, two numbers.
Two numbers.
Both of x numbers.
Okay, put x only because nothing, another number they did not mention that, right? We don't need that. Okay. We don't require. 40% the first number. 40% of the first number. What is the first number? 5x. Right. To know the x value, I am writing this all. What is the first number? This is what? Given information is the 12. Then what would be the 50% of the second number? 50% of the second number. What is second number? 4x.
Sir, I got, sir.
You got it. You got it. Wonderful. So you should offer me tea then. Okay. Yes. To know the x value, you can put x only.
Sir, but why are proper?
No, because if they say another number, we wanted to know the what is the x value.
Ratios are different, numbers will be different areas.
Yeah, see, no. See, here what is understanding is very required. You are not comparing with the first number to the second number. Another number, if you say another number, you can put y. Here you need to know the x value, because if you take like this, what happens now? How do you, what is the value of x?
5x, 5x is to
No, don't take. Now we will get the answer if we take, but it is not correct. To know the x value, keep both the numbers x values only. See, instead of reading ratios, we read in x values.
Sir, I'll tell how I did, sir. Sir, I did 40 by 100 into x is equal to 12. Sir, I didn't take 5x. I just took x. Then x is equal to 30, sir.
No, see, okay, fine. Whatever you take very simplest form. 520s, no?
Sir, I didn't take 5, sir.
21,
Only x.
2.
Sir, 5 ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Sir, I didn't take 5.
2x equals to 12.
Sir,
Then x equals to 6. Okay.
Sir, I didn't take 5x. I didn't take 5x, sir. I took only x.
Okay, you took only x.
Yes, sir. 40 by 100 into
Sir, you write
x.
the equation, sir.
40 by 100 into x. Okay.
Equal to 12.
Equals to 12. Yes.
Sir, x is equal to 30.
X value is what?
30.
X equals to 30. Yes.
Sir, for 5 by 5 is to 4 is there, sir. For that I took 5 as x and 4 as y.
Okay.
Sir, can I write, sir?
Yes.
Sir, x by y is equal to 5 by 4, sir.
Okay.
This 30 I put here, sir. 30 by y is equal to 5 by 4.
4, yes.
Cross multiply, y is equal to 24. I got, sir. Next, the question says 50% of the second number. So 50 by 100 into 24. Sir, you will get 12. Answer is 12.
Yeah, wonderful. Yes. Give me your hand. I will hold your hand. Yes, but she did in this method.
Correct one, sir.
Yeah, it's correct one. Well accepted this is. So mathematically it is accepted, that is. Okay. But you have taken all values like that. Ratios, just you have taken the ratios straight away. Okay, right. Instead of writing equations. So I am going by this equation like that. Okay. Answer is what? 12. That's right. Good. Wonderful that is. Now, a person spends 30% of his monthly salary on rent, 25% on food, 20% on children's education and 12% on electricity, and the balance of rupees 1040, the remaining items. What is the monthly salary? What is the monthly salary of the person? Okay, let the salary be equal to 100%. Let the salary be equal to 100%. Equals, he spends 30% on rent plus 25% on food, right, and 20% on children's education, and 12% on electricity, and the balance is what? And the balance is what? 1040. Right, this is how it is. One line you are finishing it out. The total salary be 100%, and these are the various accounts the person spends, and is left with the balance is 1040. Okay. Now what is the total percents here? 30 plus 25 plus 20 plus 12. 30 plus 25, 55. 55 plus 20, 75. 75 plus 20, 87. 100 minus 87. 100 minus 87. 13%. This is equals to 13%. 13% is equal to 1040. 13%. 13% is equals to 1040. Yes, LHS is equal to RHS. So what is the thing? $1,040 into 100 by 13. 13 is a 104, 0. It means 8,000. 8,000 option A. 8,000, yes, right. 8,000 is the correct one. 13% savings, yes, she is correct. 13% savings, but savings amount also is mentioned, that you have to equate. LHS is equal to RHS, right? Now, Radha spends 40% of her salary on food, 20% on house rent, 10% on entertainment, and 10% on conveyance. If her savings at the end of a month are so much, then salary per month is, again it's the same thing. Let the total salary be 100%. Equals, and 40% salary on food, 20% on house rent, 10% on entertainment, plus 10% on conveyance, plus balance. What is the balance is what? 1,500. Now, what is the total? 60, 40 plus 20, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10 is 80%. This is equal to 20%. Right, 20% is equal to 1,500. 20% is equal to 1,500. What is the next step? 1,000 cross multiply into 100 by 20. Right, 7,500. Right, option B. Even alternatively also you can do it. Much simpler also. Much simpler also. You put up all the totals. What is the balance left of percentage? 20%. What is the money? 1500. Or you can take this calculation. 1500 divided by 20. You will get 1% value. What is the salary? 100% into 100. You will get the same thing. This is the most simplest form of calculation. Writing equation, again you can reduce one more step here. When 15%, 20% is equal to this, so 1500 by 20, you will get 1% value. Even how you do in calcia also. How we do in a calcia, like 1500 divided by 20%.
1500 into 4 times, 5 times.
Okay, you can do, you will get there, but you will get also.
20% is 1500.
No,
100%
if
is
the
500.
numbers are known, but if the numbers are odd, you can straight away. For example, they may ask, what is 40%? What is how much money spent on food? That is 40%. We put again 7,500, then we calculate 40%. Instead of what you can do, this is 1500 divided by 20, you will get 1% value. If you do this, you will get 1% is what? So 1500 by 20 into 40, you will get like this. So 22.
1500 into 2 direct ಆಗಿ
ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಓಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, you will find only 1 or 2 persons like that. So immediately that will not flash for anybody. In the exam hall, definitely it is not possible. That's why. Okay? Yes, sir. This is calculation method. It's like that. Yes. 1/5 of a number is 18. What will be the 30% of the same number? 1/5 of a number is 18. 1 by of a number is 18.
90.
And what is the 30% of the number? Straight away you can take 18 into 5 by x into 30%. Right. So 90. 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and 5 ones are 5 2s, 2 ones are 2 9 is what? 27.